boat looks really cool. So I'm going to teach you how to make this in 3, 2, and 1. Oh my gosh, what happened? What happened? Great, I'm gonna close it. Okay guys, basically, I made the whole boat and it was on pause. How did I not notice it? I have no idea, so... Fold like a card, fold like card, then fold like that. Okay. And then open it, and then just put it like that, and that. And then do the same to the other. Now this is the tricky part. That may have been confusing. Sorry. Okay. Next up. Open it back up. Now, once you have it like this, take these two sides and then open it. And but you want to take this middle thing and then push it together. And then take the middle thing and push it together. And then, now if you want it to be the real Georgie boat from It, do this. Bam. Hello. How are you? That was just some humor or scariness. Sorry if I scared you. Anyways, now take a Sharpie and then write SS Georgie. Magic. Okay, that was horrible. Restart. I have a spare. Again with magic. Oops. That looks better. Compare this.